You can also cut this channel using a razor knife. Always do a dry fit in the shower space to ensure a proper fit. Now apply modified thinset to the floor, making sure to have complete coverage to the whole area using a 1/4 by 1/4 inch or 3/8 by 1/4 inch notch trowel. Be sure that you generously apply the thinset to the complete area all the way to the side walls and up to the drain area. You'll also need to apply modified thinset to the underside of the shower base. Trowel the thinset in straight channels in one direction toward the open entry side of the base. This allows a pathway for the air to escape. Assembling the drain body on the base will first require applying Wedi sealant to the lip on the drain hub on the top of the shower base, as demonstrated. Unscrew the outer and inner parts of the assembly drain. Insert the main portion of the drain body onto the top side of the base. Now turn the base over. Fit the rubber washer to the underside of the drain hub. Next is the fiber washer, and now you need to screw the large threaded nut to the bottom of the hub. Make sure to firmly tighten this down with both hands. The base is now ready to fit into place. Compress the base into place by stomping on it. The following diagram shows how to install the drain and gasket correctly. You'll notice in the second diagram that if the drain pipe is too low, you cannot correctly compress and seal the gasket. Take your time to ensure doing this right. You should now be ready to insert the rubber drain gasket. The double bevel edge should be facing up. The gasket is going to be inserted between the 2-inch drain pipe and the inner drain assembly. This is a snug fit, and you need to fully press the gasket into place so the top side of the rubber gasket is below or flush to the top of the drain pipe. It's imperative that the gasket is not sitting above the 2-inch drain pipe. To set the gasket, twist the threaded nut into place and use the tightening tool provided with a screwdriver to firmly tighten and compress the gasket into place, creating the proper seal. Weigh down the first base part and continue to apply thinset to the area under the extensions. You will now need to apply modified thinset where the extensions are to be installed. Don't forget to apply thinset to the underside of each of the pan extensions. The next crucial step is to generously and continuously apply sealant to the edge of the base so that the modular parts are fully sealed with all connecting components when joined. Place the corner extension into place, then apply more sealant to the joint between the next extensions being fit into place. Make sure that no thinset is in the area where sealant will be joining all the parts, because thinset in this area will allow moisture to wick through and leak. Finish these joints off by applying another top surface joint of sealant and putty knife flat. This step can be done after completion of assembly, as you might accidentally walk through the uncured sealant.